Do you feel like at the end of the month, I can't figure out where the money went? When you get paid, you're happy for 3 days and tense on the 4th? Then you need a solid budget, which will only take 10 minutes to create, and you'll be able to create it by the end of this video. Today we'll learn how to start a budget, what mistakes to avoid, and how this small habit will bring you financial freedom in the future. Budgeting isn't just about opening Excel. It's about saving without eating KFC but without crying. 1. Why is a budget important? A budget doesn't mean spending less. It's about controlling your money. Think about it. You earn $2,000 a month, but if you don't track it, it flies away like crazy, and you don't realize where it goes. Those who don't budget, they plan their expenses before the money comes in, and end up falling into the debt trap. 2. Budgeting with the 50-30-20 rule. This is the simplest and most effective rule. 50% needs, rent, food, transportation. 30% wants, travel, Netflix, outings. 20% savings and debt repayment. Let's say you have an income of $2,000. $1,000 needs, $600 wants, $400 savings and debt repayment. And yes, eating biryani is mentally necessary, is in wants, not therapy. 3. 4 steps to creating a budget. Easy. Write down your income. How much does it cost in total? Track your expenses, at least 1 month. Adjust your rules. Divide according to 50-30-20. Set up auto saving, so that savings go before spending. When you know where your money is going, you sleep soundly, and your future is clear. 4. What happens if you don't stick to your budget? Impulsive spending, drowning on credit cards, suddenly reaching out to friends, family for emergencies. A budget is about taking control of yourself, so that you don't have to rely on anyone in the future. 5. How is it a stepping stone to the future? A budget prepares you for big investments. When you can save, index fund, emergency fund, skill investment, all can be started. And if you want to know how to start investing with savings, then my next recommended video is for you. Budget does not mean limitation. Budget means freedom. Today you take control of your money. Tomorrow money will change your life. 50-30-20 rule. Income expense. Track. Auto saving. Conscious spending. Subscribe, like, and comment. What is the first expense you will cut this month? And watch my video now. Index funds explained. Best investment for beginners in 2025, which will show you which investment to start with savings can be the most profitable. The link is below.